Hi guys, I'm back again and today we're gonna do unboxing and first impression of some product. After using Zosh G Plus for a period of time, we decided that we should try other bike computer. So we are on a hunt to look out for different bike computer and we finally found one. And this product is a bike computer by Magene C406. We actually bought Magene sensors, of course. It's the bike speed and cadence sensor. So one is for cadence, one is for the speed. And we bought this heart rate monitor as well. It's very important to get one, especially if you are doing training. So the very first reason that we bought this Magene C406 is because of the price. This is priced at 69 USD, which if you compare this to like Wahoo Element board for example, it's gonna cost you about 250 USD. So Magene C406 is definitely at the very affordable range. The second reason why we bought Magene C406 is because the ability to customize the parameters on this Magene bike computer. To me, that's the clear winner among the budget bike computers out in the market right now, such as Zosh G Plus, which they don't have the customizability. And not to mention, this has better battery life than Zosh G Plus. Zosh G Plus stated at its website that it lasts for 25 hours while Magene can last up to 30 hours. And probably not the biggest reason why we bought this, but it's still good to have, is because of the screen size. Magene has 2.5 inch screen display while Zosh G Plus only have 1.8 inch screen display. Alright, let the unboxing begin. We bought an orange one and let's see. So not sure what this is. This is probably the micro USB cable. Here's the mount. Okay, there's a rubber thingy. So first impression, let's not talk about the bike computer first, but more on the mount itself. This is the Magene mount that comes with the bike computer. So there's this groove in the Magene mount where you can put your rubber seal there. It should fit in nicely. That way you are protecting your bike handlebar. It looks a little bit bulky than my Wahoo one. Like I think that they can reduce the thickness here. Maybe it's because they want to make it sturdier. That's just based on my first impression. So this is a Garmin mount. Means you can use Garmin bike computer as well, and Zosh G Plus. So what's interesting here as well is they actually have two screw holes here. I'm guessing that you can also install like your action camera, which is actually pretty neat. Of course, it comes with this screw that you have to screw it in to secure your mount. The main event, guys. Oh wow, looking good. This is the A button, which is on your bottom left of the bike computer. So if you do a long press, it's quite long actually, your bike computer will be turned on. Just a side-by-side comparison, this is the Wahoo Element board and this is the Magene C406. In terms of thickness, it's pretty much the same. So this is how you mount your Magene C406. Looks good. Oh, it's actually pretty tight, which is a good thing, means it's very secure. I'm sure the next big thing that many of you guys are concerned with this bike computer is the user friendliness on the app itself. So I'm gonna try and see how it goes. Hopefully it's good. Okay, so right now I managed to get it connected. Let me just play around with the app to see how good the user interface is. From the looks of it, it looks to me that you can set up to 7 parameters. So there's some limitations on the customizability. Like I want to have elevation gain instead of the current elevation, which is honestly not a very important parameter that I want to look when I'm cycling. So there is auto backlight, auto shutdown at 10 minutes, set pause when it's below 5 km, estimated power, heart rate warning, that's nice. Overall, user experience is pretty good. Yes, you can definitely change the parameters on the bike computer, but what I found out so far is there are certain limitations when it comes to customizability, which I will cover in the future. Just to let you guys know, the charging port is right behind. That wraps up the unboxing for Magene C406. There will definitely be a review on this bike computer in the future, but we want to give it a good mileage to see whether it's accurate enough, whether the elevation gain calculated on Magene is different compared to my Wahoo or Zoss or Strava. We want to see that as well, and we definitely want to explore more on the app to see what are the good things and what are the bad things as well. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you all for watching. Hope to see you guys again. Bye bye.